Cozy Auto Bottle Washer with sterilizer and dryer. When you open, meron dito user manual. So how to use it, paano siya i-assemble, mga parts. Take this out. Secure na secure siya. And then, oh, I do not need to assemble already. It's assembled. Heavy. Oops. Okay. Check it out. So heavy. Nice. Yeah. So assembled na siya. There's no need for us to assemble. Just need to on it. So we take out the parts. So may mga parts nandito sa likod. See? And then this is the where you put the distilled water. Let's open it, guys. Okay, yan. Then ito yung plug niya. Tapos, may isang drain. Ito. Attach mo dito. Tapos, i-drain mo sa sink. Yan siya. And then, there's another quick start guide. So, dalawang manual. And then, there's a free, 60 tablets. Let's open the inside. Okay. Malaki pala yung box. Sobra. Kala mo laki ng bottle washer. So, open. Ganyan. So, ganyan. You can put bottles inside. You can take out this one. But, I prefer not to take out the parts. But, we're just gonna put bottles. Let's see how many bottles we can put. Hugasin namin to. Ganito. Mga bottles si baby. So, first, we put the bottle. Daddy prefer this brand. So we take out this, we put here, like that. Then these parts will be on top. Yan. This will be on top. So, ganyan, dyan. Ganyan siya pa. Yan. So, ganyan. So, later na yan. So, ito dito. Dyan. So, parang, ano pa lang, ilang bottles pa lang, puno na yung top na part. So, almost full.
So, ilang bottles? Four na malalaki.
7. Pwede nga siyang 80. Kaya lang, nilagyan natin ng ano.
Okay.
Ito mga silicone, nilagyan lang natin dyan. Be overloaded. Yan. Clean it. Just gonna put there. Ay, mali. Ano siya namusot. Ganyan. Tablet. Uy, there's two. So, the detergent tablet, 30 to. 30 to 60. Pero 120 yung binili namin. So, just open here. And then, ano siya, zip lock. Then, just take one tablet and then drop it there. Ayan siya. Distilled water. Binili namin ito sa Walmart to fill up this one. So, minimum is 2.5. How many liters is this, Daddy? It's a gallon. So, should be okay. So, eto, nare-remove to siya. Pero sabi na akin kay Daddy, hindi natin i-remove para hindi siya mag-ano dyan. We can fill it up anytime. 1 gallon is 3 liters something. So, it should be enough. 3.78. Hindi na kailangan i-remove. Pag ni-remove kasi baka mas mabilis masira. For now, take care pa. And then, hindi pa siya nag-minimum. May naiwan pa para sa humidifier ni baby. So, we close it. Dito, which we can connect. Just need to make sure connect natin. If hindi, mag-drain siya sa ating countertop. So, yan. Maybe like that. Yan. Make sure naka-connect. And then the plug is here. So, ito longer siya. Tapos dito naman siya iaano sa may, ano ganina? Ang ato ang saksakan, nagtitrip pag na-overheat to prevent fire. So, here, sa likod, malapit sa water drain. Make sure na ano siya. So, i-put kasi bago, normal or rapid? Normal lang. Rapid lang. So, normal. Then normal, steam, then start. So, it says 29 minutes, pero meron pang steam yan. And then with sterilization, they said it's like about 40 plus minutes to 1 hour. Not sure. So, yan o. Meron dito instruction o. Gusto ko itong water.